Hi friends, welcome to All About Home. Today we are going to see flan or caramel custard with just 3 ingredients. Let's start. Before that, please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell. Take a pan, add 1 cup of sugar, 1½ tablespoon of water and mix this in low flame till the sugar gets caramelized. It will take some time. Now pour this in a 9-inch round pan. Now take a bowl, add 3 whole eggs and whisk. To this I am adding 1 can that is 400 ml of condensed milk, then 1 can that is 350 ml of evaporated milk and a teaspoon of cardamom powder. Now mix well. Preheat the oven 325° Fahrenheit. Now pour the mixture over the caramelized sugar. Place the baking pan inside a large pan and fill the outer pan with warm water. Now bake this for 1 hour. Now take out, let it cool down completely and flip the pan, refrigerate and serve it chill. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.